Welcome to the today's class. In today's class, we are going to have discussion on that is operations on real numbers. Thereafter, we shall see few more examples which we have left in the last exercise of ninth main. Okay, see here operations on real numbers. It means here three different cases we are saying. That is, if the sum or the difference ಕೂಡಿಸೋದಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಕಲನ ಮಾಡೋದಿರ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಏನದ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದ, ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾದ್ರಿ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದ. ಅವಾಗ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ವ್ಯವಕಲನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರುವಂತ ಉತ್ತರ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ, that's what we are going to see today. When there is a sum or difference of a rational number and an irrational number, the result is always irrational. Remember that. Idea Bantri?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for example, if I take an example, if you need an example, we can write it here. Here there is a rational number, right? Let me write 2 plus microphone off ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಯಾರೋ. And there is a irrational number said. So some are different. If I write 2 plus root 2, the result is always irrational. That's what he is saying. When there is an operation, whether it is the operation, it means fundamental, whether a operation is a sum or difference, whether it is a sum or difference, the result of a rational number and an irrational number is always a irrational number. Hope you got this. ತಿಳಿತ್ರಿದು?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's see the next one. Okay, people. So let us see the second case, that when there is a product and quotient. Product and quotient means what? What is my product and quotient?
Multiplication and division.
Very good, Apil. Very good. Multiplication and division. So in case of the product or the quotient, it means you multiply or divide of what? Non-zero rational number. What do you mean by non-zero rational number? What is meant by non-zero rational number? Quick answer ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. Non-zero rational number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is meant by non-zero rational number? Whether you know or not. ಅಪ್ಪಿಗೋಳ.
Don't
ಅದಿರಿಲ್ಲ
know,
ಪಾ.
sir. Don't know, sir.
Okay, if you are not knowing, see, that is non-zero rational number means non-zero means zero ಇರದ rational number ಗಳು. Why zero ಯಾಕೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದ್ರಿ? ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೀನ್ರಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. non-zero means zero ಇಲ್ಲದ rational number ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ವಶಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕ್ವಶಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಡಿವೈಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈ ಸೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೈ ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು ಇರ್ರಾಷನಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗ್ರೀಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು, ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರೂಟ್ 3 is my irrational number and 0 is a rational number. What happens if I divide a irrational by a rational number if it is having a 0? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What happens then?
Irrational, sir.
Allah, 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 Allah. You are not getting my point. What is 1 by 0? What is 1 by 0?
Not defined. Not
defined.
defined, sir.
Then what is root 3 by 0? What is root 3 by 0?
Not defined.
Not defined.
It is not having any meaning. If you divide any number by 0, it doesn't have any meaning. Already we have discussed in the earlier classes. Again, once I ask that what is the root 3 by 0, you tell that it is a irrational number. That which we have covered already. If I have the question is been asked again and again, if you repeat the same answer, means what it happens? I have told you, when you divide something by 0 or any number by 0, the result is not defined. Okay, now come back. The product and the quotient of a non-zero rational number, 0 ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ. Okay, ನಾವು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, that is, let us take an example, that is a rational by irrational ತಗೋರಿ, ಅಥವಾ irrational by rational ತಗೋರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ rational into irrational ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, or irrational into rational ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ತರ ಎರಡೂ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತಪ್ಪ, you are going to get a result of what kind of number?
Irrational number.
Irrational number. Okay, one hint ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ how to remember this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So when you have a rational and irrational, remember that ಒಂದು rational ಇನ್ನೊಂದು irrational, ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು, they are two different cases, right? ಎರಡೂ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಿವೆ. Rational is different, irrational is different. When you have a two different cases, the result is always irrational number. Keep that in the mind. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯಾ ಗಣಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅವಾಗ ಬರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಯಾವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರ ಭಾಗಲಬ್ಧ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. It means it's always an irrational number, what I am saying up to here. Okay, now come to the last case. What he says that if we add, subtract, multiply or divide two irrational numbers, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎರಡು irrational numbers ಗಳನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನ ಬರುತ್ತಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಂದ್ರ, ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರ ಒಂದು ರಾಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ irrational ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇವು ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಶೋ ಅಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಅಸ್ ದಟ್ when it some cases for it the result is rational and some other cases for that which may be a irrational. ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಅವನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ, ಎರಡು irrational ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು,
Add, subtract, multiply.
Multiply or
okay, ಎರಡು irrational number, have the concentration here. ಎರಡು irrational numbers ಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಂತದ್ದು, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. What we say that when you have those operations between the two rational numbers, the result may be a rational or a irrational. Now let us see a few examples where we can see that how we are going to get, in some cases we are going to get a rational and some cases we are not going to get a rationals. See, now add 2 root of 3 plus root 3. Okay, you are not been learned how to have an operation between the irrational numbers, what I have written. The immediate in the next class you are going to have a complete information about surds. Just I'm going to write directly the answer. Here the answer is 3 root 3. This 3 root 3 is nothing but a irrational number. So what we have got, when we have added two irrational numbers, we have got irrational numbers. So he has mentioned here that sometimes we may get a irrational, sometimes we may get a rational. So now let us see that under which case we are able to get a rational number. See here, let us take root 2 minus root 2. This is irrational number, this is irrational number. How much you get? What is 1 minus 1?
0.
Zero.
Matadrup, what is 2 minus 2?
0.
0, sir. 0, sir.
What is a minus a?
0.
0.
What is a minus a? 0. In the same way, when you subtract root 2 from root 2, you get 0. What kind of a number is 0?
Rational number.
Whole number.
Very good, very good. Okay,
Whole
now
number.
you come to know that what we were talking, that in some cases it was irrational number, in some cases it was a rational number. So we have got both the cases. That is what, when sometimes we are going to get an irrational number, and in some cases when we are having operation between the two irrational numbers, we are even getting a rational number. Let us take few more examples. That is 2 root 2 into root 2. I am saying you that you have not undergone the operations of surds. Next, immediate in the next topic, you are going to have what? The operations of surds. We are going to learn there. Just I am going to write directly. What you are going to get is, this is an irrational number, this is an irrational number. The result is 8. So what is 8?
Rational number.
Sorry, the result is 4. The result is 4. What is that 4? 4 Henry?
Rational number, sir.
Rational number.
Rational number. Okay. Let us take one more example of division. That is 4 root of 3 divided by 2. So this is a irrational number. That is what 4 root 3 is a irrational number. 2 is a rational number. What do you get? Result is 2. Ones are 2. Twos are you get 2 root 3. And this is what? An irrational number. So that's why what we are telling that when you have an operation between as irrational and irrational, the result may be a rational or an irrational. Hope you have got a clear idea about these all cases.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ತೊಂಬ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಲಾ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
is this? Rational plus rational. Rational plus rational.
Rational.
Rational number, sir.
Rational ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾಷನಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ರಾಷನಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ರಾಷನಲ್ ಆಗತ್ರಿ. Keep that in mind. Okay, now irrational minus rational. What is the result?
Irrational.
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 Rational plus irrational.
Irrational.
Irrational, sir.
Irrational divided by rational.
Irrational.
Irrational.
Excellent. Now, irrational into irrational.
Rational.
Irrational condition. What may be the result?
Rational, sir.
Whenever you have two same cases of a irrational, the result may be a rational or irrational. Up to here, I have told to you. Okay, irrational plus irrational.
Irrational.
Rational or irrational.
Rational or irrational, sir.
Rational or irrational. Irrational divided by irrational. Irrational divided by irrational.
Irrational or irrational.
Irrational minus irrational.
Rational or
Rational.
irrational.
Answer. ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಪಿಗೋಳ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು
Yes,
ಕೇಳ
sir.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓಕೆ
Yes, sir.
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್
Irrational.
ಓಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್
Irrational. Irrational, sir.
Now what for this case ಅಪ್ಪಿಗೋಳ
Green is
what's the
stuck, sir.
result
Yes, sir.
Screen
what's
pause,
the
sir.
result?
Screen is not moving. Screen is
Yes,
not.
sir.
Screen is not.
Okay, wait.
Rational or irrational?
Rational or irrational.
ಕಾಣ್ತೀರಿ ಈಗ
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಕಾಣಾದಿದ್ದಲ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay what is the result irrational into irrational is
Rational or
Rational or
irrational.
okay ಈ ಸದ್ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋಮ್ರಿ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು in the last
Yes, sir.
class we have left some of the questions in the 1.3 already adu
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಾನು ಓದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆನ ಓದ್ರಿ
Classify the following.
Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational.
Numbers as rational or irrational.
what is the first kind of a number is it a rational or irrational
Irrational.
Irrational.
what about this
Irrational.
Irrational, sir.
Rational.
think about that
Rational.
Rational, sir.
Rational number,
Rational,
sir.
sir.
what is this number what is this number rational or irrational
Rational, sir.
Rational.
what about this what about this so root of 225 is how much Is it 15?
sir.
15 is nothing but
Yes,
rational
sir.
number. Okay, then what is this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Rational or irrational? Third
Rational,
one.
sir. Rational, sir.
Okay, rational. What about this? Fourth one.
Irrational,
Fourth
sir.
one.
Recurring.
Irrational, sir.
Rational, sir.
ಯಾಕೆ irrational? ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Irrational ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾತಿರಲ್ಲ ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ ನನಗೆ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್. ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ರು 7.478478 so on ಅಂತದಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ irrational ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಏನ್ರಿ ಅದು? ಹಾ, who was that? Now you don't tell your name. What kind of a number it is?
Rational number.
Rational number.
Now, why it is rational number?
Because it is
Rational number.
It can be defined in the P by Q form, sir.
because
That's
it
okay.
is
Apart from that. ಮತ್ತೆ
Because it-
recurring rational number ರೀ ಇದು. ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೂರಿಗೆ you just see that up to here we have taken so many classes of having a distinction between the rational and irrational. Still you have not got an idea about that. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಲಿ. 478 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾವ. ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Yes,
ಯಾವ
sir.
ತರದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅದು? ರೆಕರಿಂಗ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ?
Recurring rational.
Irrational
Yes,
number.
sir.
Okay, it is a rational number. What about last one?
Irrational number.
Irrational number, sir. Irrational number.
irrational.
Last time ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. This is nothing but example for what?
Irrational number.
Irrational number.
Why?
Irrational number.
Because here a set of a pattern has not been followed. Pattern ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಪ್ಕೋತೀನಿ 1 0 ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ there is no pattern which has been followed in this case. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಕೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. So it is a irrational number and this is a rational number. ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question ಕೇಳ್ಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
The screen
What is this? Rational or irrational?
irrational.
Irrational.
Irrational, sir. Irrational.
What about this? Root 4.
Rational.
What about this?
Rational, sir.
Rational number.
What about this?
Rational, sir.
Rational, sir.
Rational, sir. Rational, sir.
Irrational.
What about this?
Irrational.
How you have to see that which kind of a number it is, or whether it is a rational or irrational? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೈತೆ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now ಈಗ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ನೋಡೋಮು. Classify the following is rational or irrational. And first example is screen ಕಾಣತಿಲ್ರಿ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 plus root 3 ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರಾಷನಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, irrational ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
Irrational, sir.
Irrational.
Why? ಅದು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ?
Sir,
ಯಾಕಂತ
Because rational plus
One
irrational is
rational
equal
plus
to
irrational
irrational.
is always irrational.
addition
and
of-
there is an operation between. See, instead of saying those all things, just listen to me. What you can say that when there is an operation between a rational and irrational, the result is always a irrational number. It still suck. How can you say that?
When the operation
Operation between rational and irrational, the answer will be irrational number.
Very good. Okay. So ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Irrational ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ.
Screen struck, sir. Screen struck.
ಕಾಣಕತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ?
ಕಾಣತೈತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ.
Struck ಆಗೈತ್ರಿ.
ಬರ್ತದ ಕಾಣವಲ್ದು. Okay. Wait ಮಾಡಿ.
It's showing, sir. It's showing.
ಕಾಣತ್ರಿ? ಕಾಣತೈತ್ರಿ?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Visible,
Okay,
sir, but
root-
ಯಾವಾಗ struck?
Root 2 minus root 3. What might be the result?
Rational or irrational?
Rational or irrational.
Be specific ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ. Listen to me. Now you can tell specifically when there is a root 2 minus root 3, you can get one kind of a number, and what is that kind of a number?
Irrational, sir.
Irrational. Now, root 2 plus, wait a while, root 3 minus 6. What is the result?
Irrational.
So you have come to know that how in different cases you are going to have a different kind of numbers when there is operation between rational to rational, irrational to rational, or rational to irrational, and irrational to irrational. Shall we move to the next point, next part of the lesson?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I have been told you that we are going to see a new topic after that, that is introduction to sorts. What is that?
Introduction.
Introduction search.
ಕಾಣಾಗತ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let us start. What is meant by thirds? Have a concentration clearly. So actually, let us take few examples and we shall understand what is meant by third. Okay. See, let us have a root of 4 and root of 9 and cube root of 8 and root of 2 and root of 3. Okay. What is the result? Root of 4. What is the result?
2.
What is the result?
2, sir.
Okay, okay. And what is the result of root 9?
3, sir.
3, sir.
What is the result of root of 8? Cube root of 8.
2, sir.
Sir.
2, sir.
How much?
2, sir.
2, sir.
2.
2, sir.
What is the result of root 2? What is the result of root 2?
Irrational.
ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
1.41 something, sir.
1.41421356 goes on. It is going to be continued, right? Again, what is the result of root 3? What is the result of root 3?
1.732.
1.732.
7320508076 on. So here, when you have got under the root something, you have got a rational number. Is it a rational or not? 2.
Yes, sir.
2 is a
Yes,
rational
sir.
number.
Rational number.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this was belonging to the rational number. Square root of 9, is it a rational number or a irrational number?
Rational number. Rational number.
Here,
Rational, sir.
cube root of 8 is a 2. Whether it is a rational or irrational?
Rational.
Belongs to rational.
Rational, sir.
What about these cases? Root 2 and root 3. What are these results? What is this
Irrational.
result?
Irrational.
Okay, now coming to the point, the definition of surd says that irrational root of rational number is nothing but surds. So try to understand that what he says in the definition. I'm repeating the definition again. Irrational root of a rational number is a surds. What he is saying, it means when you take out a square root or cube root of any number, that is a rational. See, try to understand me. If a is a rational number, okay, let us take a is a rational number. When you take a square root or cube root or fourth root or fifth root or any root, if you are taking, when the result is irrational number, such a number is nothing but a surds. What he says. You got an idea? In the same way, if you take a number, if your result is a rational number, then it's not a surd. In case next surd agalla. Yavag surd agutte when you take a root and that result is a irrational, then that number is nothing but a surd. What he says that irrational root of a rational number. When you take a root of a rational number, if the result is irrational, then it is called as surds. Whether you come to know, whether you got an idea about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ.
Sir, now
In the
rational
root, when
number.
there is a number,
Okay.
when there is a number, then the that value of that number is a rational, sir. That is not a surd, sir. When that
Very good,
value is
very good.
irrational, that is called as a surd.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Now I'm going to move to the next part now. Up to here we come to know that what is meant by surd. Surds andre enu illa irrational root of a rational number ant ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So ಈಗ next ಏನು ನೋಡೋಮ್ರಿ, standard form, how does it looks like? General form ant ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. Generally, how does the surds looks like? General form of surd. See how the surds looks like. It looks in this way. That is nth root of a. Hang ಓದ್ತೀವಂದ್ರ nth root of a. We are reading in this way and we are writing in this way. So nth root of a andaga, here we have written three different notations, that is n, root and a. They have a different names here. N we are calling it as order. What we are calling n as? Order. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? n ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು?
Order.
ಆ ರೂಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ವಿ? ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ವಿ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ವಿ? ರಾಡಿಕಲ್.
Radical, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ, we call it as radical. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ?
Radical.
Okay.
Radical.
Radical ಅಲ್ಲ, radical. Radi plus kallu radical ಅಲ್ಲ. With A. So what is
Yes, sir.
A here? A is radicand. What we call that?
Radical.
Radicand.
Radicand.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನೇನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ರಿ, this is how the surd looks like. ಜನರಲ್ ವಾಗಿ, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ಣಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವ್ರಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ. ಸರ್ಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಕರ್ಣಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕರ್ಣಿಯು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ಕಾಣತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಎಂ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಎನ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ರೂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಡಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಏಕ್ ಏನ್ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಡಿಕ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So hope you are clear about those names and how does it looks like.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, some of the examples. Let us take some of the example now. See, somewhere we shall write it here that that is order and radicand. Okay. So now root of 3 is there. Okay. What is the order? Order means what? That which is there on the structure 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ಕಾಣ್ತದ? ಏನು ಕಾಣ್ತದ್ರಿ?
Now visible, sir. Now, sir.
ಕಾಣ್ಸಕತೈತ್ರಿ.
ಈ ಕಾಣಕತ್ತದ್ರಿ? Okay. Network flower make ಕಾಣತ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗತೈತ್ರಿ. I think for this today is the first time it is happening like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, ಇಲ್ಲಿ root of 3 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿವ್ರಿ. See, here root of 3 is there. When we write root of 3, here in this above the root nothing is there. When it is having nothing, we write it as its exponential form. You have learned the exponential form of a surd in the earlier class, whether you have learned or not.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ. ಮೊದಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇಜ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Let us learn about exponential form. Exponential form. ಏನು ಸರ್? ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನವೋದಯ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಜಾಪುರ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ರೀ ಬಿಒಪಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
ಬಿಒಪಿಗೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು
Api, exponential form, see here how we can write. Here root of 3 is there.
ಇಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ
Here root of 3 means this can be written as 3 raised to 1 by 2. Suppose if you have got root of 5, you can write it as 5 raised to 1 by 2. It means when the root, above the root you are not having any number, the 2 has to be there. You have learnt in the square and square root and cube roots in the 8th standard. Suppose if you have got root of 7, that is nothing but 5 raised to 1 by 2. In the same way, if suppose if you have cube root of 2 means you are going to get 2 raised to 1 by 3. And again cube root of 3 means that exponential form is 3 raised to 1 by 3. In the same way, fifth root of 3 means 3 raised to 1 by 5. In the same way, sixth root of 7 means 7 raised to 1 by 6. Now hope you are up your microphone off madrapa. Hope you are getting an idea about how to write the exponential form.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one that question ಕೇಳಿ.
Yes, sir.
Shubham Ray.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fourth root of 7. What is its exponential form?
1 raised to 1 by 4. Sir.
7 1 by 3.
Okay, cube root of 8.
1 by 3.
Fifth root of 2.
1 by 5.
Okay, now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದು? If nothing
One.
is there, what is that?
1 by 2 is there.
What is the order?
1 by 2.
What is the order?
2, 1 by 2.
Exponential form ನಾಗ 1 by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Order ಅಂದಾಗ by 2 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು. What order?
2, sir.
What is radicand? Radicand means that which is within the square root. Square root ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಎಷ್ಟು? 3.
Two.
Suppose if it is
Please, sir.
square root of 7, order is 2, radicand is 7. Suppose if you have root of 5, order is 2, radicand is 5. Cube root of 2. Cube root of 2. What is order?
3,
What is
sir.
order?
3, sir.
What is the radicand? Radicand.
2, sir. 2, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Sixth root of 7. Sixth root of 7. Order.
6, sir.
Screen structure.
What is radicand?
6 is order,
7.
sir.
Order. Radicand. Radicand is 3.
Right, sir.
Okay. Okay. Was all about class. Just what we have seen is introduction to the thirds we have seen. Still we have to learn many things in that. Just adhan ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿನ್ರಿ ಇವತ್ತು. In the next class we are going to have a complete discussion about the thirds and ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ